Hello students, my name is Dev Pandya. As you all know that nowadays we are going through this COVID-19 crisis, so because of this everybody should stay home and be safe with your family. So standard 8, chapter number 8, active and passive voice. As you all know that I am going through the definitions of this chapter, so after that you have to complete all the exercises in your notebook. So I am going through the definition of the first one is the voice refers to the form of the verb that shows whether the subject of a sentence performs the action, the active voice, or is affected by it, that is passive voice. Like in this example we have the first one example, Rohan killed a cat. A cat was killed by Rohan. The second one is Rohan wrote a letter. A letter was written by Rohan. Now in the first sentence, in each pair, this first one says that Rohan did. He killed a cat and he wrote a letter. Rohan is the subject and the two verbs killed and wrote express the action done by Rohan. These verbs are said to be in the active voice. Now in the second sentence, like these pairs, in this one what says that the action is done by a cat or a letter. A cat or a letter are the subjects, but the words was killed and was written does not express any action by the subjects. On the other hand, they express the action suffered by them, like these verbs are said to be in the passive voice. Now it is normal to express actions in the active voice, however we prefer to use the passive voice in the following cases like this. We do not know who was done this action. Like for example, the cyclist was hit by a racing car. We do not know which racing car hit him. My pocket was picked in the fair. Like we do not know who picked it. Like the action itself is more important than knowing who or what causes it. For example, the car was badly damaged in the accident. Like how much damage we didn't know. Like India was partitioned in 1947. Like in the brackets we have, we are more interested in the actions. Next page we have a note, verbs which do not take objects cannot be expressed in the passive form. Like they laughed heartily. So laughed does not have an object. Sarika is going to the school. So is going does not have an object. However, a sentence like they laughed at the beggar can be reformed in the passive voice like this. The beggar was laughed at by them. Like in the passive voice, we use the past participle form of the verb along with an appropriate form of the auxiliary be. Future continuous and perfect continuous tenses do not have passive forms. You have to remember these definitions, you have to learn these definitions also, so it might be easy for you to frame sentences. Like now we have a table of tenses of verb form, active voice and passive voice. So in this you have to learn all these forms of active voice and passive voice. Like this we have to form a sentences in the simple present tense, simple past, simple future, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect, future perfect, conditional sentences, perfect conditional, modals, infinitive, perfect infinitive and participle. Next page. Some words can have two objects. For example, his colleagues gave him a watch. So it is possible to make it object 1 and object 2, like two passive sentences like this. He was given a watch was given to him. So other common verbs which can have two objects are ask, offer, pay, show, teach and tell. Like in this we can use these verbs in passive voice. It is more usual to begin with the person. Like for example, she was given plenty of facilities. Like plenty of facilities were given to her. Like this we can frame a sentence of active voice and passive voice. I was shown a new gadget. A new gadget was shown to me. That would be a passive voice. So study the following two sentences again. This one, the first one, his colleagues one. So his colleagues gave him a watch. He was given a watch, like by his colleagues in the brackets. Similarly, study the following two sentences. We informed the police. The police was informed by us in the brackets. So, it is not usual to include phrases like by his colleagues or by us unless it is necessary. So, in simple present, how we can frame that? So, for example, we have play and in the brackets we have s in the active voice and is, am, are played in the passive voice. So, we have example here. I respect all elders. So, that is active voice. All elders are respected by me. That is passive voice. You can see the formation like how it is formed, like in active voice, respect all elders and all elders are respected by me. So, in the second sentence, second example, he enjoys a sound sleep. That is active voice. A sound sleep is enjoyed by him. So, that is passive voice. So, in the simple past tense, we can frame a sentence like this. He shot a bird. A bird was shot by him. That is passive voice. We enjoyed the game. That is active voice. The game was enjoyed by us. That is passive voice. So, in the simple future, how we can frame that? So, will play and will be played. Like I have told you that this table here, see, in the simple future we have will play in the active voice and will be played in the passive voice. So, now we have present continuous tense. No, first we can go through the example of this simple future tense. So, after that we can go through this. So, somebody will post the invitation cards today. So, that is active voice. The invitation cards will be posted today. That is passive voice. So, in present continuous tense, for example, is, are, am playing, active voice. Is, are, am being played, that is passive voice. So, example, they are keeping their fingers crossed, that is active voice. Their fingers are being kept crossed by him, that is passive voice. The boys are running a race, that is active voice. A race is being run by the boys, that is passive voice. Now, in the past continuous tense, how we can frame the sentence? Like for example, this is the formation like was or were playing, that is active voice. Was or were being played, that is passive voice. Like for example, he was making a kite for his grandson, so that is active voice. A kite was being made by him for his grandson, that is passive voice. Next page. Now, in the next page we have present perfect. For example, this is the formation has or have played, that is active voice. Has or have been played, that is passive voice. For example, floods have destroyed the crop, that is active voice. The crop have been destroyed by floods, that is passive voice. And in the past perfect, for example, had played, active voice. Had been played, passive voice. So, in this we have the example here. We had already solved all the sums, that is active voice. All the sums had already been solved by us, that is passive voice. Next page. In the future perfect tense, how we can frame the sentences? Like for example, this is the formation will have played, that is active voice. Will have been played, that is passive voice. So, in this example, first one, they will have counted the votes before the night, that is active voice. The votes will have been counted by them before the night, so that is passive voice. Now, what is models? In models we have example here, may or might play, active voice. May or might be played, that is passive voice. So, in this we have example, they might reveal the facts, that is active voice. The facts might be revealed by them, so that is passive voice. So, now imperatives. What is imperatives? For example, do it, that is active voice. And in passive voice we have let it done, let it be done, or it should, may, ought to, must be done. So, the choice of the model depends upon the speaker and the situation. Like do not tell him anything, that is active voice. So, not be told by anything, that is passive voice. He should not be told anything, that is passive voice. So, next page. On the next page we have a note here. Imperatives can be expressed in passive voice in the other form also, like for example, please keep quiet, that is active voice. You are requested to keep quiet, that is passive voice. You can frame a sentence like this. So leave the room, that is active voice. You are ordered to leave the room, that is passive voice. Lock the door at night, that is active voice. You are advised to lock the door at night, that is passive voice. Now in the sentence is beginning with let, for example, let us forget the past, active voice. Let the past be forgotten by us, that is passive voice. Let your son manage the factory, that is active voice. Let the factory be managed by your son, that is passive voice. Now what are infinitives? In infinitives we have the formation here, to play, that is active voice. To be played, that is passive voice. As we can show the examples, and after that the fact file and the summary at the last we have. So the examples of this we have the I want you to leave me alone, that is active voice. I want to be left alone, that is passive voice. Now it is said, he said to, people say that she is 105 years old. So in this sentence can be expressed in active voice as it is said that she is 105 years old. She is said to be 105 years old. It is said that he thrashed a policeman. He is said to have thrashed a policeman. So at the last we have fact file and summary. The voice refers to the form of the verb that shows whether the subject of a sentence performs the action or is affected by it. Now, the verb that expresses the action done by the subject is said to be in active voice. The verb that expresses what is done to the subject is said to be in the passive voice. Thank you.